Welcome to my class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about mobile agents. Mobile agents or mobile objects are objects that have code, behavior, data, execution, state, and itinerary. These are logically bundled together and can move as a single unit. This is in contrast to stationary objects which have code, behavior, and data. In both cases, the behavior is represented by interfaces. However, for stationary object, since these don't move, the code and data can be platform independent. Mobile agents, on the other hand, can move and therefore their code, data, execution state, and itinerary must all be portable or at least convertible from and into portable forms. With mobility, mobile agents are embodied with following unique and important computational characteristics like object passing. When a mobile agent moves, the whole object is passed, that is, its code, data, execution state, and itinerary are passed together. Autonomous. The mobile agent has the information within itself to decide what to do and where to go. Asynchronous. The mobile agent has its own thread of execution and can execute asynchronously. Local interaction. The mobile agent interacts with other mobile agent or stationary objects locally. If needed, it can dispatch messenger agents or surrogate agents, which are all mobile agents, to facilitate the interaction. Disconnected platform. The mobile agent can perform its task whether the network connection is open or closed. If the network connection is closed and it needs to move, it can wait until the connection is reopened. Parallel execution. More than one mobile agent can be dispatched to different sites to perform tasks in parallel. Now we come to the formal definition of mobile agent. An agent is an independent software program which runs on behalf of a network user. Mobile agent technology is an emerging concept that can bring some important benefit for the telecom software providers. In some complex applications of telecommunication, the client-server model is no longer effective and the use of mobile agent can be a good alternative. A mobile agent is a program that once it is launched by user can travel from node to node autonomously and can continue to function even if the user is disconnected from the software. The software for network management and telecommunication system is facing some important challenges to deal with the complexity of the heterogeneous environment, the introduction of new technologies, and the high competition in the telecom world. Applications become more complex and the software providers are looking for solution that allows a rapid deployment of applications into the market and allow a flexible customization according to the need of the client. In order to be more competitive, the telecom companies should adapt to the new changing concept and respond to the new challenges of market. It is a fact that computing model of 80s are no longer efficient enough to solve all the new challenges. Thereby, new paradigm are necessary for the development of the distributed software. For instance, the software for network management is currently implemented by using a traditional client server solution. Typically, there are several network devices distributed across the network. In each device, there is an installed static server that is responsible for collecting some information from the device. These servers' processes are static and prosperity. They are very difficult to upgrade or customize. At a manager host, there is a client process that interacts with all the servers in the network devices, collects all the information from the network devices, and provides the final information required to end user. This manager can represent a bottleneck to the application, and some of the applications are very inefficient in the use of network bandwidth. Mobile agent is an emerging paradigm that is gaining momentum in several fields of application like mobile computing, electronic commerce, internet application, information retrieval, workflow and cooperative work, network management, and telecommunications. A mobile agent corresponds to a small program that is able to migrate to some remote machine where it is able to execute some function or collect some relevant data and then migrate in other machines in order to accomplish a task. The basic idea of this paradigm is to distribute the processing throughout the network, that is, send the code to the data instead of bringing the data to the code. When compared with traditional client-server solution, mobile agent can potentially reduce the traffic in network, provide higher scalability, easy customization, more flexibility and robustness. In the last few years, the use of mobile agent technology has received an extraordinary attention from several universities and research institutes and a notable investment from leading companies. We have also realized the importance of agent technology, and since there are different reasons for using mobile agent technology. This is a diagram where a mobile agent performs work on behalf of a user as it travels to multiple locations on the network. This is the database server, and agent server is present within database server, and the agent server communicates with another agent server, and in this way the network works. There are several reasons for adopting mobile agent technology. Mobile agents are autonomous programs that migrate through the machines of the network to accomplish some task on behalf of some user. The agents carry their code and their internal data while they are migrating between different machines. According to the mobile code can be seen as merging of the concept that have been successfully deployed in distributed computing, code on demand and remote evaluation. Java applets are an example of code on demand, while Java servlets are based on the idea of remote evaluation. In both cases, the mobility of code is only between a client and a single server. Mobile agents go further than this concept since the agent can migrate across several machines and provide a more decentralized approach as shown in this diagram. The design and implementation of large-scale application can benefit from the use of mobile agent. An extensive study on the advantages of mobile agent has been done by several research organizations. What is mobile agent? Program that can migrate, but the question is where and how. Perform some processing at each host. Agent decides when and where to move next, how to move on just 3 steps: save state, transport, and then resumes. There are main reasons for adopting the concept of mobile agent. Where and how is it reduces the network traffic. Mobile agents fit well when the application has to deal with huge amount of data or when it requires a high network bandwidth. The basic idea behind mobile code is simple but extraordinary. Instead of pulling the data into the code, just move the code near the data sources. This way, it would be possible to reduce the number of interactions and the amount of data that is sent through the network. This is an important advantage over traditional client-server solutions. And the next advantage is software upgrading on demand. Usually, client-server solutions are very monolithic and difficult to upgrade. When there is a new to install or replace a particular piece of code, this usually requires the upgradation of whole package of software. Moreover, in most cases, this operation has to be done locally by a system manager. Mobile agents are seen as small companies of software that can be easily upgraded and replaced while the application is executing. The operation of upgrade can be done remotely through some manager site of network without requiring any physical movement of the system manager to the network devices. Besides, since mobile agents are small entities of software that simplify the replacement of small pieces of code without disturbing the most of the application. This notion of on-the-fly upgrading is of paramount importance in telecommunication systems. Easy computation of software. The precise The previous functionality can also be exploited for flexible customization of software. Some of the program modules can be implemented as mobile agent that are sent to the network devices. Then, according to the preferences of the end user, the agent can be easily customized and adapted to the configuration of the network. And next one is easy introduction of new services in the network. Mobile agent can be used to exceed the capabilities of applications and to introduce new services in the machines or devices of the network. With a dynamic directory services, the client machines can locate new services in the network and interact with the corresponding servers. Moreover, if we integrate the use of mobile agent with emerging technologies like Genie from Sun Microsystem, it would become easier to provide the notion of plug and play devices and the introduction of new network devices. The next reason is highest robustness for the application. The client server approach is highly dependent of the availability of network. If the client machine or the network goes down, the application fails and has to be restarted from the very beginning. Mobile agents are inherently more robust to the occurrence of failure. If the client machine fails or the network is temporarily unavailable, the agent is able to execute in the server machine and the application is able to tolerate these failures. Moreover, the agent platform can provide some important support for fault tolerance to increase the reliability of the applications. With the support, the mobile agent may have the ability to sense their execution environment and react autonomously to changes and failure in the network. The next is support for disconnected computing. With the use of mobile agent, the client part of the application is moved to the server machine. The client machine can be disconnected from the network while the agent is performing its task. Later on, when client machine plugs again in the network, the agent will be able to report back the result of its computing task. By this reason, the use of mobile agent is seen as a very attractive solution of mobile computing. A mobile agent dissected. There are mainly three parts. One is code, state and attribute. Code part. Program in a suitable language to define the behavior of agent. Next is state. Set the internal variables. Resume its activity after moving to another host. And third is attribute. Information describing the agent, its origin, owner, movement history, authentication, keys. Developing distributed applications with mobile agent is relatively easy for three main reasons. It follows the idea of component based software. The applications are composed by several agents that can be deployed in a modular way, and the processing task can be distributed by several modules instead of relying in a complex central processing module. As soon as this technology matures, some R&D development tools will appear that will provide an environment of agent-oriented programming in the same line of existing object-oriented programming tools. Mobile agent allow the distribution of the intelligence throughout the network devices and decentralize the processing task among several machines, compared with the client server approach where most of the processing is done in a centralized machine. The module agent paradigm provides a more scalable solution. The issue is very important in application that have to execute in tens or hundreds of machines and where the traditional approaches present some execution bottlenecks. Nowadays, with the globalization of market, it is common to find in the same network and heterogeneous collection of vendor proprietary equipment and software interfaces. Telecom software providers have always some serious difficulties to deal with the integration of different equipment. The implementation of integration protocol requires a large development cycle and not all the vendors provide standard interfaces. With the use of mobile agent, everything that is required is a platform for agent mobility and a Java virtual machine. Mobile agent can then encapsulate some protocol and provide the necessary conditions for seamless system integration. Now we come to advantages of mobile agent. Before going into the advantages, more specifically, a mobile agent is a process that can transport its state from one environment to another with its data interact and be capable of performing appropriately in the new environment. Mobile agent decide when and where to move. Movement is often evolved from RPC method just as a user directs an internet browser to visit a website. The browser merely downloads a copy of the site or one version of it in case of dynamic websites. Similarly, a mobile agent accomplishes a move through data duplication. When a mobile agent decides to move, it saves its own state, transports this saved state to the new one, and resumes execution from the saved state. A mobile agent is a specific form of mobile code. However, in contrast to remote evaluation and code on demand programming paradigm, mobile agents are active in that they can choose to migrate between computers at any time during their execution. This makes them a powerful tool for implementing distributed applications in a computer network. An open multi-agent system (MAS) is a system in which agents that are owned by a variety of stakeholders continuously enter and leave the system. Mobile agent decide when and where to move. A mobile agent consists of program code and program execution state. The current values of variable next instruction to be executed are saved in the execution state. Initially, a mobile agent resides on a computer called home machine. The agent is then dispatched to execute on a remote computer called a mobile agent host. When a mobile agent is dispatched, the entire code of mobile agent and the execution state of mobile agent is transferred to the host. The host provides a suitable execution environment for the mobile agent to execute. The mobile agent use resources like CPU, memory, etc. of the host to perform its task. After completing its task on the host, the mobile agent can resume the execution of the code from where they left off in the previous host, instead of having to restart execution from the beginning. This continues until the mobile agent returns to its home machine after completing execution on the last machines in the itinerary. Now we come to the advantages. They allow efficient and economical use of communication channel that may have low bandwidth, high latency, and may be error prone. They enable the use of portable, low cost personal communication devices to perform complex tasks even when the device is disconnected from the network. The interaction in distributed systems are often achieved using communication network. These protocols involve transfer of large volume of data stored at remote host over the network to a central processing sites, resulting in high network traffic. An alternative to using communication protocol is the use of mobile agent. Mobile agents are dispatched to the remote host containing the data. The agents perform the computations at the remote host and return back with the result. Since computation are moved to the data storage location itself, because if moving the data to the computing location, network load is reduced. Next is to overcome network latency. Consider a manufacturing plant in which many critical real-time systems are controlled through a network. Controlling many systems through a network involves significant delays which are not acceptable for critical real-time systems. To overcome this problem, mobile agents can be directly dispatched from the central controller to the manufacturing plant to the real-time system. The agents are locally and directly execute the controller's directions. Basic architecture. An agent server process runs on each participating host. Participating hosts are networked through links that can be low bandwidth and unreliable. An agent is a serializable object whose execution state can be frozen for transportation and reconstituted upon arrival at a remote site. This is the basic architecture. This represents mobile agent. These are agent server, and the images in gray are agent recovery host. This is the basic architecture, how one is connected with another. What is an agent? An agent is an object, hence it contains state data and method. Among the instant data is an itinerary of the sites to be visited, which may be dynamically constructed or adjusted. Other data may include an agent ID or other authentication data. The agent's behavior at each stop can be pre-programmed and dynamically adjusted. Events in mobile agent creation. A brand new agent is born and its state is initialized. Cloning. A twin agent is born and the current state of the original is duplicated in the clone. Dispatch. An agent travels to a new host. Deactivation. An agent is put to sleep and its state is saved in persistent storage. Activation. A deactivated agent is brought back to life and its state is restored from persistent storage. Retraction. An agent is brought back from a remote host along with its state to the home machine. An agent is terminated and its state is lost forever. Communication. Notifies the agent to handle message incoming from other agents, which is the primary means of inter-agent correspondence. Again, in short, what is mobile agent? They reduce the network load, they overcome network latency, they encapsulate protocol, they adapt dynamically, they execute asynchronously and autonomously, they are natural heterogeneous, they are fault tolerant. Mobile agent applications. Mobile agent applications are found, it has applications in several fields: information retrieval, monitoring, virtual marketplace or meeting room, shareware. Solving a complex problem on a single computer takes a lot of time. To overcome this, mobile agent can be written to solve problem. These agents migrate to computers on the network which have the required resources and use them to solve the problem in parallel, thereby reducing the time required to solve the problem. Mobile agent in Java. A mobile agent in Java is called Egglet, lightweight Java. Why use Java? Because it is platform independent, it is created once and we can take it anywhere. Price, free toolkits, ASDK. Host can provide an environment for the egglet to execute within. Security in mobile agent system. Security is one of the main concern. Security concern is the primary deterrent of deploying the mobile agent technology. These are concerned for both the agent host and the mobile agent. Agent host concerns malicious or unauthorized events. Malicious or unauthorized event can misuse or destroy system resources it is agent concerned, malicious host can destroy or alter in agent's logic. Example, mobile agent's route can be altered. Measures authentication. An agent must authenticate itself to the host and an agent server must authenticate itself to an agent. An agent encrypts its sensitive data, which is also known as encryption. Resource access. A host enforces strict access control to its resources. Current areas of work: mobile agent theories, pi calculation extension, mobile ambients, agent itineraries, mobile agent model, some component based AI models, mobile agent infrastructure, environment supporting, mobile agent security, naming, domain crossing, etc. Mobile agent programming language toolkit, abstractions, mobile agent applications which use the mobile agent standard, OMG's MASIF and FIPA. Thank you for watching.